Hi, my dear participants. Welcome to all of you. And here I try to explain you how to log in into the placement test website and to the quiz. Now, this is your desktop. In your desktop, double click on Google Chrome and type the college website www.act.edu.om. Almusana College of Technology, the educational institution at Oman. Press enter. The new page will open. In this new page, in your right hand side, top down, e-services, click on that. This page will open. In this page, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the down, ACT e-learning system, e-learning, click on that. The next page will open. You have already been given the username and password. Type your username and password. I already know mine, so I am typing my username and password. Click login or press enter. The new page will open. The new page will open, and this is your new page. And you could find the Almusana College of Technology Learning 2019, navigation, home, dashboard, site pages, my courses, GFP Math OPT 2019-2. The GFP Math Online Placement Test for Academic Year 2018-2019 Semester 2. Click on that link. The new page will open in which we are going to work everything. And this is a mock placement test for practice. It consists of the announcements, reference books, mock BMPT, where we are going to work right now. BMET semester 2 academic year 2018-19, where you are going to do your tests. And some other things also given. The basic mathematics icon is given. Thanks for ACT for sharing the online material. Yes, actually there is a huge work behind that, thanks to ACT. The course details, actually it has 12 chapters, that is 12 topics from topic 1 to topic 12, starting from real numbers to the trigonometric functions. We will discuss everything further. Let me start from topic number 1, the real numbers. This is the topic number 1, real numbers, and here session 1 and session 2 it has. The session 1 consists of the videos on the real numbers, the second one tutorial, the third one class activities, fourth one practice quizzes, and the last one downloadable study materials. The first one consists of the related videos. The second one consists of the related web pages from which you can study the chapter number 1, the related session. The third one consists of the class activities, if any. The last one consists of the downloadable study material, that has the PDF files, whatever the necessary files the tutor want to give that to you. And this one is the practice quiz. After completion of the chapter, you can get into the practice quiz. You can make a practice. At the end of the quiz, you could get the correct and wrong answers also. Similarly, all the sessions has been designed for all the chapters. It has 12 chapters, right? So finally, it left with 24 sessions. You can study and you can come into the mock placement test or the placement test directly over there. As of now, it is hidden from the students, and we will open that little later. Now I'm getting to 1, 2, 3. That is announcements, reference books, and mock basic math entrance test. Actually, just we are going to make a practice over here. This is the page, the mock page. I already made some attempt, some reviews, so it is showing. So you will be given like this. For me, it is preview quiz. For you, it will be start attempt. Click on the start attempt icon. Sometimes you may be asked to enter some passwords. The invigilator or the instructors or whoever facilitating there at your lab, they will be giving that password to you. You can enter that password. After entering, you can give start attempt. If you click on start attempt, the new page will open. This is the new page. This is the new page, and it has in your left hand side You have the question number, the time left, and in your middle you have that question number 1 out of how many marks, and the rest of respective question and the multiple choices. This is question number 1. The sum of 16, 27 and 91 is, there are a few answers, and I have chosen the first one, 16 plus 27 plus 91. You could say whatever the answer that you are thinking is right. In order to go to the next question, you can click on the next page, or if you want to go for any specific questions, you can click on the particular number. And after that, you can, after completion of all the questions, you can click on finish attempt, and you can keep on checking the time left also. The total duration is 1 hour and 30 minutes, and now 1 hour and 28 minutes 17 seconds left with for me. And I just finished with this question. Just it's an explainer video, and hence I am clicking on finish attempt. Just I click on the finish attempt. See, you could see the first one answered, and hence it is a block, and all the remaining questions are empty. See here, it's a summary of attempt. The first question answer saved, and all the remaining questions not yet saved. So click on, if you want to get back to the particular question, click on return to attempt, otherwise submit all and finish. And again click on submit all and finish. Yes, it's finished. And you could check in your left hand side, the first one is the green color because the answer is right, and all the remaining questions I have not answered, and obviously that is wrong. And it is started on, status is finished, completed on, time taken 2 minutes, mark, my mark is 1, I know that. This is my grade, and you could say the feedback also, failed mock like BMPT. It requires to prepare and practice again until you get your pass mark. I know my results because I attempted only one question, and you can practice well in order to get pass in the practice test, and I hope all of you can do that easily. Um, and after completion of yours, just inform to the invigilator. Now just click on the name and click on logout. It is strongly recommended you to log out of your screen always, and after that get into the page, and that's it, it's finished, it's done. Good luck, practice well, practice makes a man perfect. See you, and bye bye.